Station is now the ultimate power in the universe.
Come on, like, are you not a patriotic Botswana?
Ina guy gone, ha ina guy.
Come on, bro.
Aye,
Pula.
ne.
Exactly. Let's do it again. Pula.
Aye, ne.
Aye. From the capital, the station is now the ultimate power in the universe, baby. Overview Radio, bringing you Overview Podcast with Joey Badubi Jr. as well as the chief ghost, always behind the lens. You know, Overview Radio is the network, man. Like I always say, comes on every Monday and all that, man. The kids. How are you finding the kids, boss lady?
I like your kids, you know that?
Yeah, every Monday.
I like your kids. I like the combination. Yeah, the kid, 2 boys and a girl.
Yeah.
And then there's, no, actually 2 girls, 2 boys.
Two girls, 2 boys.
Sebaha ko morago kwa ke. Ke sebaha ke.
Yeah, sebaha. Yeah.
So it's a good mix. I like that.
Yeah.
I crow izuru in a country e leng gore go pushwa basadi hela. So I like that lona ga le ho litsisa lenela bana bote di opportunity.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And then every Thursday is Joey and Chief Ghost and whoever that we're having. And today, man, we have none other than Boss Lady. She's back. She's back. You know, she's been here. I think, yeah, you, Oscar, what a teacher. Ozzy. Yeah, I think, yeah, you guys have been here more than anyone.
Yes.
Yeah, so yeah, you are back. Like what?
We love Overview.
Yeah, man. People who have been here twice, as we've had Honorable Dumelan Saleshando twice.
And he's feeling much better now?
Yeah. He's
Praise
on the
God
mend
for
now.
that.
He's back at work. Who else? Like, have we came out in Lane twice? I don't know, yeah, like yeah, but Boss Lady is practically family, man. And for this episode, man, as you know that Boss Lady is a life coach. This episode, I'm the one who asked for this episode and all that because I feel like I don't feel like that we are in the new Botswana. You know, the current regime has long prophesied during that campaign where like they're trying to bring a new Botswana and all that, you know, and I just had to, like, for this intro, for this episode, I just had to sit down last night and then write down this intro, you know, got like to plan it out to you guys. What are we going to talk about? And then I was like, today we are not just having a conversation, we are tapping into the soul of a nation. Botswana is changing. Something is shifting politically, culturally, spiritually. And if you've been feeling it, you're not alone. They call it the new Botswana. But what does that actually mean? Today we are joined by someone whose work is to guide people through change, alignment, and healing. She's a wellness life coach who believes transformation starts from within before it becomes national. We'll talk emotional climate, collective trauma, conscious leadership, and the mindset that this new era demands. If you ever felt like you're waking up into a new Botswana, but you're not quite sure where you fit or how to evolve with it, this one is for you. You know, Botswana is not the same. And maybe, just maybe, that is good. Since the last elections, we've seen a shift in leadership, in energy, in identity. A quiet revolution is taking place in how we see ourselves, how we lead, how we heal. But national change isn't just about new faces in government. It's about a new mindset, a new spirit, a new level of self-awareness. You see, this is not about the government or whatsoever. It's about us as people as well. So today on Overview Podcast, we're asking, who are we becoming as a nation? But before that, who am I becoming as Joey Badubi Jr.? To help us decode this moment, as I mentioned, I'm joined by, again, a transformational voice, a life coach who works with people to heal, grow, and rise from the inside out. Like I mentioned earlier, we talk trauma, identity, purpose, emotional intelligence, and how Botswana can become a spiritually and mentally aligned nation in this new era. This isn't just a podcast, it's a pulse check on the people. Welcome to the new Botswana overviewers. Welcome to the new Botswana, Boss Lady.
Welcome, Luena Joey.
Yeah.
Leather ghost behind the lens. Luena, welcome, Tate.
Emma.
Rareha.
Yeah. Are you feeling it?
there's an energy, okay? There's an energy in the air. Ha o le motho a se mowa o tlhaloganya dilo tse tsa di energy, you'll feel it. You'll feel gore things have changed, things are not the same. And with change, Luena as an individual, you need to step back a little bit. O bo itsheka-tsheka, o bo ipotsa gore Luena ha dilo di hetoga yana. A Luena o tshwantse gore o hetoge kana o tshwantse gore o nne hela kana o tshwantse gore o bone gore o tswa yang. But the energy is there. There's a bit of darkness there. There's also a little bit of light in there I see as well. Because with darkness always comes light. Life is duality. That's why you've got male and female. Yeah, yin yang. That's why ona le bompe le bonte. O bona re ke raya. Ke ona botshelo jone jeo.
Bofuzi le
Bofuzi
yeah,
le
like top dog.
Maji. Wa itse. Le bo top dog. Bangwe ke di fuzi, bangwe ke di top dog. Wa bona re ke raya.
Top dog.
Ice boy. You know, Ice boy.
Definitely.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, but in any case, when the energy shifts, e go tama gore le wena o shifte. Because those who don't change will be remained behind and they will never see the promised land. Yeah.
Before we move on, like before we jump into it, kindly give Botswana a diagnosis, like a wellness diagnosis. If Botswana was a client, was a client in therapy, what would she need right now?
One, as we say, she's too feminine. Botswana o sesadi thata. Ga na lentswe la borre. Sengwe le sengwe ke basadi from long time ago. Ibile I can't claim get a long time ago because I was born in 1980. O simolotse ka borre ba le bararo, the three chiefs. Look at where we are today. Men are nowhere to be found.
What do you mean by that, boss lady? Like we have president, vice president, the Khosi, ministers, like most of them are men. Like a lot of people in power are men. Yeah, kindly explain what
Seriti
you
sa
mean by
monna
that.
Motswana ga se yo. Kodu ya monna Motswana ga e yo.
Ga e yo kana ga e utlwane.
Ga e yo. Ga ke utlwile ha ile sepe kana. This is why basadi ba le mo diphatseng mo go kana kana. Monna, a man.
Yeah.
Masculinity, it has its attributes say femininity does not have.
True.
And no matter how much femininity might push itself, it can never be masculine.
Yeah.
So da ithala ile gore gompieno yana basadi le bona ga ba nna kelello ye go godimo ya go tlhaloganya bothokwa jwa banna. O ta ithala ile gore yaanong ha re leng teng e hella nna mosadi le bana ba ba hellang ba tsena mo diphatseng because monna ga yo.
Yeah.
Gompieno ana ha monna a seyo o imelwa ke bana. Ha monna a seyo bana ga ba nne le tsebe sente mo lapeng. Ha monna a seyo, should a war strike or another country try to invade us, ro dira jang? So ha re leng teng gompieno yana ta ke go diagnose tse Botswana.
Yeah.
Ke rile o feminine, that's the first thing.
Yeah.
Our men are completely disregarded. Kore monna ke phologolo e leng gore ke selo hela ho gompieno.
Disregarded by who?
Disregarded by men and women.
Okay.
Because you first, for a woman to disregard you, you disregarded yourself. Kana everything starts with you.
Yeah.
Gore monna ska go tota, ko ena no sa itoti.
True.
O tswa mo supentsha gore ga o motho a sepe.
Fact.
Wa bona re ntse ya. So ha go senang monna teng go nna thata gore diwe tse dingwe di iragale because go shorta a part of the puzzle. Ha mosadi a se yon teng go nna thata gore dilo di iragale because go shorta a piece of the puzzle. Now, this country is chaotic. It's a chaos. Batswana ke batho ba ba chaotic.
So like that's the second diagnosis.
That's the second
Okay.
diagnosis.
Feminine, chaos, okay.
First, it's too feminine. Men don't have a voice anymore, which
Okay.
makes it problematic.
Yeah.
2, because the genders are both out of alignment and are not in sync, the result is chaos.
Okay.
So now we're in a country that is chaotic, where people don't know what they are fighting for, where they are moving, what the
Roles,
vision is, where are we going, because then there's no leadership. So go ingapengapelwa hela. Kana ha o ka lebella le gompieno yana uta ke sa roge o pela ke bua nnete hela. Kana gompieno go tsena mo bo counciloreng, kana go tsena mo bo presidenting or whatever, kana go tsena in a high position ko corporate, it's as if people are just setting themselves up gore they should be taken care of ha ba setse ba dula kore ke retirement plan. Ha isa thola ile a vision ya gore ke isa company go gongwe, ke isa lehatse go gongwe. Ebile I'm going to take off the reins and give them to somebody else after my process. Wo ile gore le ene vision eo e taya ko pele. So when you take from the past regime and you are taking now, you are the current, ba go neetseng ba ne ba go ra ba re go iwa kae, where are you moving? So Botswana ntse ya lo chaotic ga itse re wa kae, basadi ga ba itse re ba kae, banna ga ba itse re ba kae, bana ga ba itse re ba kae, ga gona molao, ga gona taolo, ga gona di boundary, ga go iragalela ile sepe. So this is a country in crisis with a lot of people moving around. We don't know where they are going. We hear noise. We don't hear what the noise is. We see people waking up every day going to work. We don't know what they're doing at work. Because even in those offices, the customer is also complaining. We are going to Parlamente. Even mobile Parlamente mo, the people are still complaining. We are leaving in the morning, or we're creating these families and these homes. The women are complaining, the men are complaining, the children are complaining. There's anarchy. There's chaos. So we are dealing with a chaotic country that does not know, no longer knows who it is. It does not have the buy-in of both genders, and therefore there is no vision. And as a result, sengwe le sengwe sa phatakana. We are holding by a very thin thread. Thin. The collapse is coming. It's near. We see it. We all see it. Maloba ke badile post ya rre mongwe ga te Thalefang Charles. I don't participate in these shenanigans tsa mo gae wa bona. Ha ke na sepe le ditontokwane tsa mo gae. Because na go na le ko ke tshelang teng hela. That's why ke se involved ka dio tsa Batswana. But ha ke bala ke ne ke a bona post ya re le ke bona gore but bra thobogile ba itse gore I could feel that energy ya gagwe ya gore this is where a lot of people are go mo thobogong. Gore batho ba inyetse yano ene ke sala ka bona yano ha tsenya di hashtag ngwana kgosi ke a kwatla re emang basadi emang ha te tsogang banna emang king emang basadi
tsogang banna from
the national anthem. That's right. You are coming to where I want you guys to come to. Now you are recognizing that you need each other. You understand? I paid attention to the hashtag yati. Okay. So all this time, this is what we should have been preaching right after COVID. Because COVID, so how many years has it been? Ke gone re phadimo gang gompieno re tsogang e be re a re bueng gore ga dilo ga di a siama, dilo ga di a bolo go senyega bogologolo.
So I actually wanted to ask you that. Are you done with the diagnosis?
That's basically it. It's chaotic.
Yeah. So normally when a health practitioner ira a diagnosis, they can tell gore isimolotse kae.
The root.
Yeah, like with your diagnosis, like now we're talking about the new Botswana. Does the diagnosis come with the new Botswana kana ntse ile teng? And ha ile gore ntse ile teng, o ka kgona go tlhalosa gore isimolotse ha kae, like where did it? Like,
okay, let's just start with the question ya gore mudi wa mathata ke eng? I guess that's your question. Yes, that's what you want to ask.
The diagnosis, I would like us to make it clear. Diagnosis isimolotse ha kae? Period. Maybe dingwaga kana dinako tsa bo raro na nako tsa bo masire gore se kae. nako tsele tsa mogare o betsa kana you get it kore like re sa supupe ka monwana but re bua period gore mme go simolotse go nna le mathata ha kae a mathata a wa buang a tla gompieno yana or not
mathata ga te gompieno kana o itse re go ntse yang Joey. Like I said to you, I was born in 1980.
yeah
That was a very different time. That was a time where people were hands-on. People wanted the best for themselves. People had a sense of who they were as individuals.
effects yeah
People knew where they were going, which means there was a certain level of leadership that was there to guide. And there was a certain level of leadership to guide even in the homes, even in the schools. Kana tiro ya leadership, ga se ya president a le nosi, wa itse ke?
so like what you're saying is that during your times diagnosis e ne ise nne teng.
Ne re ise re nne le mathata ga ke tsira gongwe ke gore ne ke le monyenyane
yeah.
kana yang but ne ke itse hela gore in the 80s in the 90s a ke re ke tsene tirelo setšhaba ka 2001
yeah
2000 and 2001 ke ne ke itse gore we were excited to go to varsity or wherever because we were excited to become young adults and adults re itse gore re simolola botshelo
yeah
ngwana ga gompieno ga nna yalo mo go supang gore there's a shift because go raela gore dilo di ne di bereka then hence the excitement things were in order
yeah
the processes were there people were going from the stages from one stage to another ba tsamaya sente re itse gore ra kae so gompieno re ha nako ya ga mogae re ne re na le segajaja kana wa itse I've been told, I forget, but ke ne ka utlwa gote re mogae before a nna president. Ha ke tsira it was before or after I stand to be corrected. Ga tona tsamaya for some leadership course. Wa itse tota?
yeah I think I've heard
Mo go reelang gore re yo.
yeah I'm not too sure but yeah I've heard that
Mo go reelang gore re yo. O na tlhaloganya gore leadership ga se ha te mempe bogobe ga te o na lemoga gore go ha ke ka ske ke ikoketsa ke a ipopa ke a ikaga ke le motho I'm going to fail these people
yeah
so go ne go motela gore ke tshwantse re ke ipaakanyetse position ya hanka ke a iwela hela o ka ke kgetsi ya dinamune I have to make sure because that means he also recognized the responsibility.
that comes with leadership
Thirdly, he had some sort of understanding ya gore there's a legacy that I'm going to leave behind. But tota ba reng ka ganna once ke tswa mo stilong se. Wa bona re ntse ya?
yeah
So lo ena ha o nna rraagwe ngwana kana mmaagwe ngwana kana o nyala kana o nyalwa. You are going into a new stage ya ke re leng gore it's an office. Leng gore o tshwantse gore we prepare for ha go kwa nyala hela ha go ira ngwana hela ha go wa tsena mo leadership positioning hela so mo go reelang gore batho ba nako ele ba ne ba le humble enough to recognize gore ga ba itse sepe they need to be prepared they need a coach they need mentors they need to go to people ba ba rute ba ba thuse ba ba supentse gore go iwa kae yaanong gompieno fast forward be go nna le re tsena mo ireng ya maranyane where everybody is now a coach where everybody now can diagnose or everybody knows what to do mo go reelang gore yaanong we're in an era where people no longer have a sense of humility ya go ithuta mo bathong ba bangwe ga ke a re le batho re le 2.567 million o bontha gore ga re ka ke ra nna le di-solution as batho ga o ke kwa ntha o rialo gore e be re le ga re leng teng go reela gore motswana ha leng teng hela ene ga e sa thola le motho a kelello ye go godimo ya ka nako tsele leadership ya teng e kwa ya gompieno ga rena ditsompelo ga rena di-tools ga re ikoketse that's why re lwa mo go kana-kana that's why re divorce mo go kana-kana that's why re palelwa ke malwapa mo go kana-kana because we do not have the tools And we do not see the need to find the tools or to get the tools because rona motho wa gompieno o rata go akediwa o rata maka ga rata go bolelwa nnete. Joey o gola o nna kana o na le ngwana le kae ngwanaka o na ngwana le kae
like over 30
you are over 30
yeah
o batla ntha this whole period papa ga go thokaetse o le 5 a kere
exactly
o batla ntha re ma go na go togela o dira hela o batla ntha re ma go na senke ya go kgalemela
I know like hey
so go mo ga
no
betswa so seo ga o itse re santse se to go sala morago le mo tirong le mo nyalong le mo ditsaleng ga o itse re tshwantse re o kgalemelo because as motho wena o na le go tswa mo tseleng
I know that
so ya no ha o le Motswana o sa bate go kgalemela o sa bate go rutiwa dilo o sa bate go bolella gore o bokoa ha o to ta nna a good father yang o to nna a good mother yang o to nna a good tsala yang o to go run the country yang ya no where we are right now the root of our problems is that we have lost who we are. So with every generation we keep losing ourselves. It becomes worse and worse and worse. You get it? And it's like people are not realizing this. Things started to fall apart kana right after Ian. Things was gradually going down the drain. If you look at it, because we were the last batch at TS. Le gompieno ana ke a lemoga gore after rona prosperity in this country ya pala. So bonna ke ba palwa ke botshelo.
yeah
You get what I'm saying?
I get you boss lady. Chief Go said something interesting
Yes.
earlier.
Yes.
Abua gore with ascendance like comes challenges.
Yes.
So as the country develops,
Yes.
like these challenges are going to come.
100%.
Like you said, before no go le sharp. A kere ditlhabollo tsa nako ele ne di sa tshwane le tsa gompieno.
Absolutely.
So with your diagnosis, how does it differ from that point? Ya gore okay, like as the country develops, like what are the challenges that you buy blind? You know, yeah, like you mentioned Maranyani, this and that, blah blah blah, this and that, and all the other things. Pamokate after pamokate, COVID after COVID, more. Because these things di tla ka ditlhabolo go gompieno ke betting, ka moso ing this and that, you get it. So from what you're saying, I would like to understand gore, like you said, things were gradually falling down.
You know what? Let me tell you how the world works. Go life coaching re rutiwa botshelo gore dilo di bereka yang gore o kgone go ruta batho ba supentshe gore what's the way forward, right? A ke re Motswana o na le thaponyane ya gagwe e borang ya gore ga life ena formula na ke re ba ra yang. Because as a life coach that's just nonsense for me.
Let's wrap this one quickly and then
it doesn't work that way. So here's the thing. There are fundamentals that need to be taught to human beings.
Yeah.
That even when crisis comes, o kgona go iphemela.
To manage the crisis. Yeah.
That's the bottom line, which means that the Motswana does not know the fundamentals anymore. That is why this is why when you find out that your wife is having an affair, when you find out that
yeah.
Because gona things that have not been instilled in you. Ha maranyane ata o bona bo only fence, maranyane ata o bona batho bo jiga ba ntse ba riana. O tsewa ke you don't have anything to stand on, and you don't even know, you can't even recognize your own reality and that you are actually in a third world country.
Yeah.
And those people are in first world countries, and there's a way they are living. You have a distorted or warped way of viewing reality. So when challenges come, and they are coming more and more and more, you've got nothing to stand on. Are you getting what I'm saying?
I get you.
So the challenges are not the issue. The question is,
yeah.
Because what I see mo Botswana, now I'm still the same Agatha. I haven't changed, and I'm never going to change. And I'm still standing, and I will stand until the day I die. Le high economy I will still be Agatha fresh podcasting. You get it?
Yeah.
Because of the things that I was taught. We are taught to stand.
Yeah.
Mo south mo I don't know gore go rutiwa yang wa bona that is not my business, but at the end of the day you can see the difference between ngwana o tswang ko bokalaka le ngwana o tswang ka kwana.
Yeah. Let's close the diagnosis. So are there any positive diagnoses though? Yeah, because like already you said what feminine what? Yeah.
That's really not the issue, because right now where we are, we have a crisis. I don't care about positives and things like that. We need to move forward. Re bone gore re solve the problem because re na le mathata.
Yeah. Let's talk about the emotional climate of a nation.
Yes.
After change. What happens to a nation emotionally when there's change of government?
Well, there's always a sense of grief, and there's a sense of cognitive dissonance as well. There's a sense of I've lost something and I'm in denial that I've lost something. And then I'm pretending and I keep going on and on, which is something, say, Batswana have graduated in, the art of pretense,
Okay.
And no, I'm actually going through something, I must accept it. So, the cognitive dissonance, it, despite overwhelming evidence that gontse jana, wena o santse o batla go ngangatela gore gontse jaaka wena o tseela gore gontse.
Yeah.
And therefore you do not move on. Yeah. You stay there.
Yeah.
So irile COVID ita. Ebe go nna le yone cognitive dissonance yone ya gore batho ga ba ikamogele.
Break that down to batho ba ileng gore like they don't know what cognitive dissonance.
Okay, so like I'm saying, o tabo na le world view e ntseng jana.
Yeah.
Agatha Atlholang ba ta ba ora re mtshana ga nna yalo. Aba go supentsha ka evidence, ka di facts. Gore go ntse jana o bontso o itshwarella hela ka se wena o batla o itshwarella ka teng o re nya ga go nna yalo. Go mo go diela go akanya.
Yeah.
And ke a tlhaloganya because there's a psychological thing that's going on in your mind. Re batho re ntse yalo. We are psychology, akere.
Yeah.
So no, ha ile gore change yata. Batho ba sa batla go amogela diemo gore go iragalang. Le gore re ha kae. Go nna thata gore o solve the problem, because I love what one psychologist said. He's got a beautiful quote. His name is Carl Rogers. He coined this. I'm not going to say it verbatim, but it's to the effect ya gore when I finally accept makoa ame ke ikamogela ya ka ke ntse go to go dira gore ke kgone ya nong gore ke ipaakanye, because ga gona sepe seng ka se baakanyang ke se ke amogele gore indeed makoa teng. Wa bona re ntse ya so if as a nation, let's start at family level. Mren, your marriage is falling apart. Mates, your marriage is falling apart. Don't pretend like ga o bone gore mapakere ile rotsana mo koloing wa ithela condom e dirisitswe. Mo koloing ya lona ile dirisang. It's either wena kana monna ga condom e tswa kae. O ska pretend gore ga o e bone.
Yeah.
Go ntse jalo wa bona gore go ntse jalo.
Yeah.
Sengwe se ile sa kgabola wa se bona. Yaanong if you are not going to recognize that this thing is happening to you, it's going to be a problem. Go accept kana gore ile gore wa dumalana. Gore ile gore wa bona gore go iragala sengwe. Therefore you can then take another step ya gore o kgone go bona process ya go semolla transformation le paakanyo.
So are you saying that there is failure in acceptance that
Batswana still haven't accepted? They still haven't accepted. They're waiting for some redeemer to come. Ga ba isi ba tsene mo staging sa ntha ba santse ba le mo denialing. That is why gompieno go santse go kgona go noa phetela. This is why we have an alcohol problem. This is why we have an HIV problem, because we are running away from what is happening, the reality tsa rona.
So are you saying that the nation is grieving this change of government?
They are grieving and they don't even know that they are grieving. Ba mo grieving kana Batswana.
Why are they grieving?
They are grieving because they've lost what used to hold them, which was security. Le maka a ileng gore ra createile for ourselves, defining ourselves ka dilo, ka dikoloi, ka madi, ka menate, ka di position. Yani dio tseo they have been pulled under our feet.
Would they be I'd like to understand this. Why are they grieving? Like, are they grieving because the government of the day has tshwanela pele negatively or positively?
It's not even a government
or
thing,
kana
Joey.
kgang
You
ya
are
gore-
getting it wrong.
No,
Ga
listen,
se-
listen. Kore, my question is,
Yes.
a ha go change go nna le grief automatically, whether go mo go tsenang go good or go bad, but fact ya gore something that you are used to, it's gone. Go nna le grief.
Ya
Or
ke re
what?
o na le attachment to selo. You will always grieve.
You
Even
always grieve.
because
Okay.
because
So the fact that there's grief, it doesn't say go negative. It doesn't necessarily say that.
bona retsa kana no thaka you are mixing things.
Okay.
Ask the question in this way. What are we grieving for? That is the question.
Exactly,
Okay,
yeah.
we are grieving because grief kana e taka loss ke kuto bothoko ke lositse. So grief ga e ke how ka go a griefa so se sente kore how ka ke
The question was, what happens to a nation emotionally
Yes.
when there's a change in government? Who lost are grieving? It's sharp. But a nation in
Yes,
general,
we're talking
go iragala,
right now. It goes beyond the government because
Setšhaba.
ke chaba.
Ya grieve.
Ya griefa because gompieno yana. Kana how ka lebella grief ya rona. It's sitswe ga ya tsisiwa ke government per se. It's sitswe ke COVID. Kana re santse re lekwa kana lona le santse le batla bua. Okay, let me put it this way. Botswana are having conversations here ka new government ga ba ise ba address situation early e leng gore le yone e tsisitse mathata a mangwe a leng gore re ha. Not to say I'm making excuses for anybody. We are still stuck there.
So like what you're saying is that the nation is still grieving COVID.
We're still grieving what COVID brought. It brought instability. And we were not prepared for instability as a nation because we've always had it in our minds. So COVID disrupted our comfort. Comfort they created ke maka a rona. Re ipolela gore re na le di structures in place. Tse di ta dirang gore re kgone go ema no matter what happens. Mo COVID re lositse manyalo, re lositse batho ba ileng gore they care gate ke ba ileng gore ke our family members. We lost our husbands, we lost our wives, and so on and so on. You get it? So we are still there. And then COVID ya teng ha ithakatakantse dio tse dingwe yana re se prepared. It then affects our livelihoods. Mo gore lang gore yana re kubiwa mo ditirong or a re trenchiwa. I am grieving the life ya Phakalane Joey. Because yaanong ke ko mo goditshane. Ga ke a toela botshelo joo. Ke mo kuto bothokong because ke ne ke sa itse ke le motho gore go mo go ka ntiragalla. So ga ke se ke accept. That's why some are still stuck ko Phakalane go sena madi a Phakalane. That is why gompieno ana re taka di backup planning yana tsa bo go ithekisa tsa bo go noka batho tsa bo go utswa madi tsa bo go siela ko bo Dubai re ra reng because ga re se ra amogele gore this is where we are, guys.
How far or close is the national healing moment?
But it's going to take, you can't heal before you accept. It's not happening
So it's
anytime
far.
soon. Very far. Very far. Because even la house mo maranyane bana batho ba tshela, people are so tone deaf in mo maranyaneng. It's like ga ba bone gore batho ba sokola wa bona because everybody's pretending that they're okay. Le ba ileng gore genuinely ba tshela, and this is not to say gore re ska ra gore batho ba ska ba ja monate mo nneteng ya bone. But you know, you'll be sitting here, especially people who are supposed to know better. They'll be out here go jiwa monate me go na le batho ba ile kana people who are struggling tota Joey. Ke di votera tota sharp. Wa bona batho ha ba votile. The taxpayer with gore ke batho ha ba ko tlase ka hana wa bona. So it's like go na le tone deaf hela tota wa itse, and you know people are into maranyane. So how's an mo maranyane ngo bona o ka re batho ba bangwe ba tshela sente. You are sitting here wondering gore can't know what's wrong with me. Am I the only one or what? And then lo you have this thing ya gore okay le nna ta ke tshameke game ya te. Because mo le mo tshameka game ya te. One thing that I know now through my work, because I have people that I am coaching, people all of a sudden people are realizing and I'm listening to the stories. That's why I accepted this interview. Whatever is happening mo maranyane, let's go lebella dio tseo batho ga ba nna sentle. Nobody's okay here. Nobody's okay. And you can see it.
Yeah.
You can feel the energy. You can feel gore nobody's okay. So when in your individual space, you know how I always say life is not a group event. Life is not a group event. When I believe you, all like it to gore transformation ya go itsile nako yone. Eh? O lucky because ke a bona re gompieno o itsetetse nyana ga o bole o ntse monna. We need more of you.
Magakabe wena nna sentse.
A gona ka magakabe a kae? I love your transformation. Yes, and you know what? This is what young men need now. They need to change. Ga isa thola ile nako yele ye go neng go nna go twe go tholwa ha go nolwe di black label. Ela ka o bona o ntsana. Ha gona bojalwa ha re mo teng. Ha gona la alcohol. We are talking real life issues now. Re tsene yano. It's on like Donkey Kong, nigga.
On that, like let's talk the psychology of power transition. What psychological impact does leadership change have on people's sense of security, optimism, or direction?
Well, it's going to affect us if we cannot see where we are going or where this leadership is taking us.
I would like you, like this is a personal one. I would like you like wait, also apply the family aspect. Kana like you mentioned earlier, the leadership. Le rekwala peng is a leader. Like like le community in Khosia change. I mean like that. Mo councilor a change. Kwala peng like there is divorce. Whether you get it, and then go nation leveling those kind.
Well, the biggest change that's going to come, obviously at governance level, Joey. If things are not put in place, if policies, procedures, and things are not moving the way they are supposed to move, if there isn't strong leadership with direction, it's going to be very difficult to worry. Kota se baba leadang le bone dio tsa bone di tsamae sente. Wa tlhaloganya re kraya. So ko malapeng so ha go sa nna sente go godimo kwa re nnetse go bolelwa everyday gore a gona madi. Gape kana ke itse re thapo ya go nna le bolelela ba tswana ra gona madi yang. I don't understand why they think this is a strategy because it's very dangerous. Gompieno na ha o tsamaya o le motho o re wa re o go rekisa proposal o re o tsenya proposal ko corporate. You know where they're headed from? From the leaders. Now it's an excuse. Even if gona le sengwenyana se re ka se jang inna ha gona madi anong batho ba batla di services tsa rona mahala, which is not going to happen. So at the top there ha go change, it trickles down ko tase gore yaanong o ta ithala ele gore it affects you obviously as a father mo lelapeng trying to provide for your children. It affects you as a business person in the shop. This establishment, you've got families that are relying on their paychecks.
Paycheck to paycheck.
Paycheck to paycheck. So it affects each and every one of us. You know what I mean? And it cannot affect us positively in any way. So right now where we are, this change, it's a good change. Now I feel, honestly speaking, it was time for the government to change, but to change to what? To change to who? Were we really thinking when we were deciding who we were going to bring in next? Because what were these people selling us? Or whatever. What vision did they have for our country? What vision did they have for our families? What vision did they have for our businesses? What vision did they have for our schools, for our hospitals? What vision did they have for our churches? And for the Botswana? Because Botswana talk about all these institutions that I have mentioned. Those are the things that affect you. How go kwata hela obota o change government o bo sa mpolelle gore right. I can remember ko wellness re na le di netu tse di different. Kana Motswana o se molla kae? O se molla mo family. So go remente hauta family wa go e baakanya ya. Number 1. Number 2, ha ke tswa mo netu mo lapeng ke a sekolong gore mente o no ipolelela gore wa go dira eng ko dikolong wa bona gore dilo di change ha ke tswa ko sekolong ke a kerekeng o no ipolelela gore wa go baakanya dikereke tsa rona jang ha ke tswa ko kerekeng ke tsena mo corporate no ipolelela gore ko corporate wa go baakanya yang kana mo di business wa go baakanya yang these are questions that Botswana should have been asking themselves o thopa o lebile dio tseo because ke tsone tse di go affecta ha go kwa ntha ro thopa o lebile gore wa go hiwa bonus ya 1 point ka ndo 1000 eke
Ntlole.
I mean really o thopa motho ka gore go raro wa go neela an extra 1000
Yeah.
dog kana ke yone level of consciousness e ke buang ka yone e ke reng ga gona kelello ye go godimo wa bona ga gona kelello ye go godimo and you know this kore even as we have this conversation kana ke a itse re Batswana ke batho ba ileng gore ba utela thate kore ga ba utiso se buang ba utwa se bone ba batang go sutwa but we are in trying times right now as a Motswana you should ask yourself gore a wena hela is your mind okay kore a o itse go thopa a spouse o itse go thopa tiro o itse go thopa kana ha o sa khone go thopa diotse o to thopa moeteledi pele ja kana Joey, let's have this conversation real quick out Batswana are always quick to blame leaders. I don't understand this. No leader, be it Remasisi, be it Reboko, be it Resaleshandu, comes to you with a knife and says, Ntobe!
Fact.
None of them did that. They all went fair and square by Emma, but debate.
Like they are asking.
They are asking.
That you vote
Hey, they are not forcing you. You understand?
Yeah.
And then when o tshwantsoro o nne le a certain level of consciousness a kere Botswana o go isitse sekolong gore o kgone go interpreta ebile Botswana o go alauile gore o nne le dikereke o itse semowa gore o kgone go lemoga dilo le motho e re ha motho a bua yana body language dionyana o kgona gore mo tlhaloganyong ya go wena o ikakanyetse gore a me candidate ke yone thapo ya inthekisetsang a o bua nnete kana o rekisa hela so ya no Motswana ha bata go talela aba ari goromente ga na mosola kana goromente ga a dirisa tshwantsho reng a se dire ke sa re le gore I'm not holding government accountable but there should be some sort of accountability coming from you as the individual ebile mo so wena as Motswana o thopang because o tshameka ka thopo and thopo ya gago ga e affect wena hela e affect bana ba gago le bana ba me so Motswana ga serious ene o tola mo Facebook o le ba go taba le ba motho ba renya motho o clean mere mothope motho o rwala sthako sa 2000 tare mothope I mean what is that ga re le video tse re tshwantswe kana office of the president it is the highest office in the country do you know that ke yone na le seriti go gaisa di office tsote in this republic called Botswana so how etsa mothoho o le mothopi because that person has the ability to ruin your life or to make it better wena wa tshameka mo maranyaneng o pusha di agenda tsa gago as mothopi o sa itse re o pusha eng ka moso ga di tadi go phothama you blame this government again when you are the one who chose it
who chose it
go tshwana le wena Jobi ke go raya ke re ga o ke kwa complaina ka ngwana mo setsana ha dio tsa lona di sa bereke o sna nna mo ithwadisa o sa monyala o bo ta ire ka moso e nna skebe kwa spekepeke o bo ta go go boss lady o bonta re basadi ba rile e lo mo thopa o morao ro bata ngwana o sa monyala o no sa bone gore go mo ke red flag gore motho o kgona go retsa le gore la gore ene ka boene ga ikutlwele bothoko ga ikakanyetse gore ha o ka motogela gwa go nna ya le ene a ska tantha re jo o rile e rile monna a whole man o ileng gore o kgona gore a file gore o ka ira ngwana o na sa itse re tshwantse re a nyale pele so this if we were to have a proper conversation here about Botswana your leaders are not necessarily the problem they have their issues granted but your main problem is that you hela as the Motswana on ground level hela o ka letse ga o itse go thopa tota o mono hela and your decisions ga di affect wena hela di hela di affecta mongwe le mongwe.
Like this should bring us to conscious citizenship.
Yes.
What does it mean to be conscious, emotionally intelligent citizen?
When we talk about emotional intelligence, we're talking about self-awareness. We are talking about consciousness. Kelello e ko godimo, a high mind. We are talking about motho o kgonang go lebella dilo ko teng a sa di lebelle ha. E ra ntse a tse a lebella ba ta go tsa tshwetso a ba le gore o tsere a bird eye view of the situation. Ga a lebella yela gore nya Joey montenyane kio therefore ta ke mokenye. O lebeletse Joey kwa tswang teng. Joey a o taditse bana. Kana Joey ke motho o tang a le nosi a re wa mferia a ro bata gore ke tshelelene a ro bata go nyala. Ha o taditse bana mo taditse bana mo taditse why must I o paletswe ke eng ke go nna le bo mmagwe bana ba botheba. O no sa bone bothokwa jwa gore bana ba botheba ba nne le ra bone ha gore o ba rute di skill. So why would I go off and date you o ntse jalo? Nna ha ke na le bana ba ntsi ke le ngwana a mosetsana ga go go tele gore ke kgona gore ibile ha ke le gone ho ka gore bana ba nkimela o to hella ya nong e nna wena ke tota ke le ka go trepa somehow somewhere gore kgone go tlhokomela bana ba ke re ba nkimela. So wena dio tse ga di go tele o le motho go tota go tela yang yanong ka o pallwa ke go bona hela ha go to go tela yang go godimo kwa gore yanong o choose di leader o pallwa ke go lemoga dilo ha.
Like at your...
You once said to me, my boy, on Tarobot Slade, Basadi Babaira Laping. You remember? You remember you came to the house, Joey, I want to just time in.
Yeah.
I want it's clean, boss lady, it's got food. Joey, how do you take a woman seriously? You're not she can't even offer you a juice from the fridge. That somebody you will settle with. Somebody needs to give you something to work with. They have to have some level of stability. Be it onna le batsadi but di buka o blind ko di bukeng me wa mmona gore ha le ko lapeng o tshela sente le batsadi. Ha se gone le wena o le ngwana a mosetsana hela yalo e be ke gore a ke re Joey, these are the small things that you guys don't look at. So now how are you going to build as men and lona as bana ba basetsanyana le sa khone o lemoga basimane ba gore ba ka tswa e se bone sente because they are not showing up sente? How are you going to build families with these people, build businesses with these people, and end up in leadership positions in terms of governance? Ko pele kwa o tsamaya le monna hela nna president. How are you going to do it? So where is the level of consciousness of the citizen to get us conscious leaders? Because a conscious citizen is the one who can become a conscious leader.
So like a conscious citizen determines a conscious leader.
How can it not? When I that's how it goes. How are you going to take somebody o eleng gore ga itse go itshekisa ene ga tshele botshelo sente ene a be le gore ka gore o go rekisetsa thapo ya gore o ta go nela senna nne o bo mo thopa kana motho o tshwantse re o tsene mo le lapeng la gago wa bona gore a tota mme motho o bona office of the president. There's a reason why re thopa motho o nyetseng o na le a stable family o eleng gore o na le track record ya di achievement tse di utlwalang tse eleng gore di affecta le tshaba. What have you been doing in your individual space in terms of social work? Kana social work e dira gore wa akanyetse batho ba bangwe go nna le mosadi le ngwana go ruta gore o ska nna selfish as motho o rekegele le basadi ka gore o nyetswe ya kere ha o le mosadi o le leader go bata o nyetse o nyetswe so that o rekegele banna ha le na le bana le kgona go rekegela each other go thele bana. That means la ga o dira di-policy ko godimo dilo ko godimo kwa wa akantse bana wa akantse basadi ebile le wena as monna o tshwanetse gore wa akanyetse banna ba bangwe. This right now we have a crisis ya banna. Our government is full of men who are not doing anything about these men of ours. In men's what kind of Father's Day, you will never hear anything what the Happy Father's Day from a high level, right? From governance level, you'll never hear what the who push you. It's always basadi. But how, when you are a man in a place of leadership, when you see your brothers are struggling emotionally, and you do not bring things in place to say, gents, ari popeng, come, ari boneng gore re te mmogo. Bring different men together and say, let's fix this. Why don't you have compassion for your own gender? Can you not see that your own brothers are struggling? Guys.
So can national growth be blocked if citizens carry emotional baggage or limiting beliefs?
Absolutely, because with a limiting belief, it says ya go sira kana ya go hata. So ga o bone reality sente. Ha go na le di opportunity o to go di misa. Ha go na le bokoa o tota o thopa jone. Ebe o thakathakanya dilo. And coaching, that is what we talk about. The limiting belief is Botswana, because Botswana ka bontsi, they are not fit to be leaders because they are emotionally inept. Ba tshwere bothoko jwa bonyenyane, batho ba ba roga, batho ba ba bolela gore they won't amount to anything. You can hear it in the speeches of our leaders ha ba bua. Wa kgona go bona gore yo has no business being here. O santse a rwele bothoko mo e leng gore yaanong no matter how educated you are. Ghana education does not equate for emotional intelligence. Do you know that? Hey, even just because you are 50, you are 40, does not mean that you are mature. Hey, it doesn't mean just because you are 55, automatically you have a level of maturity a mature conversation. It doesn't mean that.
The country has like there are issues that we are battling as a country.
Yes, Papa.
Drug problems,
Yes,
GBV, alcohol. The statistics are HIV and AIDS.
HIV/AIDS.
Apparently HIV/AIDS is the number one killer again.
Yes.
A lot of things, man. Are these issues being addressed like the right way?
I don't feel they're being addressed the right way. Okay, let me say this. Arisimole ka kanya ya GBV. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's just start from the very beginning. You know, I love the fact that we are saying that we need to give young people opportunities.
Yeah.
But in giving young people opportunities, they're not conscious enough to deal alone. That office ya gender, it needs a seasoned moholo.
Like the Ministry of Gender and Youth.
That ministry needs somebody who has a very high level of consciousness and awareness, who is very family oriented, who looks at things from a perspective o tlhaloganyang psyche ya monna, psyche ya mosadi. Motho o tlhaloganyang gore mosola wa lenyalo ke eng, mosola wa family ke eng, mo chabeng in the greater scheme of things. That office e tlhoka motho o batang kagisanyo le kutlwisisanyo between people. Ga e bate motho o iseng a tsene mo dikgwethong tse tsa botshelotsi. Le imetsa bana merwalo ka gore la re batho ba batona, and I get it. In our country, I'll be the first one to say it. Ebile, I don't care who says what. Bagolo ba rona ba itatile. Bana ba rona can't even trust adults anymore because ga ba sena kelello e go godimo. They are unconscious. Yeah. So when the adult is not showing up What else can people do except to call on young people who are inexperienced? So it is our fault. Eh, people are trying anything and everything that they can try. I get scrambling kana yano.
Yeah.
Eh, so I also don't blame the choice that has been made in terms of the leadership in that office. You get it?
Yeah.
Because someone is supposed to go home. Kana batho ga ba tse di tshwetso hela. Eh, I get it. Go na le go dio di tswang teng. So right now, where we are, Joey, if we are not going to come to a higher level,
Are you saying that your age mates like no was no pela like woka tlhophiwang gore or kana like the gap thingy?
nna kana ke itse gore ga go thophiwa go ne go thophiwa eng kana o itse gore ke lemogile sengwe ka Batswana wa bana
Yeah.
ene go mo santse go to ba bola ba na le go tseela gore motho ha na le setankana go rela gore o bothale kana batho ka bontsi bana ba crema o itse gore go itshupa gore batho ka bontsi bana ba crema. Do you know why ke re batho bana ba crema? I don't have a master's. I don't have a PhD. Pound for pound, bring me a person with a master's and a PhD. Re bue ka botshelo le gore go iwa kae. I'll take them on.
Yeah.
It's not about just the qualification. O bona ebile if you have a master's and a PhD and o tlhaloganya le botshelo, then you are a force to be reckoned with. Le nna ke a ema Mr. Ke ra I'll blind. I'll give you your flowers. You can't come to me with some PhD. By that time, you can't even run a family. By that time, the decisions in your life, mi una le PhD. We are not the same person who's supposed to be teaching me how to be responsible. Do you get what I'm saying? This is Botswana. So, Botswana is le school. Bana ba crema. Because how tsanako you be? The idea is to learn how to formulate an argument that makes sense, that is going to solve a problem. By virtue of the fact that you can't solve your problems in your individual spaces with your PhDs and your many degrees that are more than the degrees on a thermometer, it means that uno crema, how na understanding. So with all this education that you have as a nation, why are you on the verge of an economic collapse? Why? We have the most educated minds. And let me tell you something. Baba na basa krem wizuru bagay. Haba yo haba berka ko mahatsing ama. That's why na le brain drain. Kyo na brain drain. Mo Botswana. We are left with all the educated people who can't solve problems here. The ones who know how to solve problems, I kira ga bana di insecurities. Ba ile ba togela ditiro tsa bone ba tsama ba go bo German ba amogela ka di euro bana mathata ba re libile ha ba re tsega ba re bona ditomotsi.
Yeah.
Why bona re ntse
I get you.
So this is where we are. Wa bona re mathata a teng a mantsi.
Abai.
Go di GBV. Go alcohol what we are losing lives right now. Young people kana ngwana gompieno wa Motswana. Gompieno ana we've got a situation ya go UB wa gopola ke re gompieno. There's a back and forth between the president and some youngsters.
Yeah.
And I'm sitting here and I'm saying, how did we even get here? How did we get here?
Yeah.
I'm just perplexed. I'm just sitting here. But the thing is, Joey, so where I'm going to save this country. Because my reputation has already been marred. I've been character assassinated, that I do not feel any obligation to this country. They'll solve their problems. Back to
Kanya GBV. A youngster only got in that office, I think, almost a year now.
Yes.
All along.
Can I just ask
Baba,
you a question?
yes.
Why are you giving men time off leave?
Paternity leave.
What are you trying to do?
I don't know, bro. I don't agree with that at all. I don't know.
So you are trying to feminize men even more. You won't rest until our men are wearing dresses. Basically.
Yeah, I guess so.
Trying to feminize our men to an extent.
Yeah.
ba ileng gore ba parolwa gompieno ana ke go providela bone bana ba ba tsholang gape ba thole ba tshameka le bone the whole day ba ntse ba re ponte continue ask your question.
Yeah. Like you said, bana ba rusiwa merwalo, I get more like in these positions.
Yes.
Yeah, gender, youth and gender. For 58 years, go rela like this responsibility e ntse tshwere ke bagolo. So bagolo bone ba ntse ba ya addressa shapo kganya GBV.
No, not necessarily. I mean, if you look at Meana, you know.
Oh yeah, kind of she's the previous.
Yeah, she went off and said something like, "This is not a situation in re address you know. It's not that." And I'm sitting there and I'm like, "Okay, sisters, are you serious as a whole minister?" You've got extremes, right? You've got the extreme you've got the extreme a youngster here.
Okay.
We are failing to find somebody on common ground in between. And that's what you need when you govern. You cannot be coming here with people who've got their own issues and who cannot look at situations from a perspective defects. So we've got two extremes, and this is Joey, let me tell you how important that ministry is. It is a ministry that speaks to family, and family is the beginning of the prosperity or the downfall of a nation. So if that ministry is not given to somebody who knows what they are doing, who understands the importance of a man, who understands the importance of a woman, and who cannot bring these two to an understanding to coexist in terms of marriage and procreation and to build, we are going to have a problem. Because that is the same institution that has to bring the churches together, the psychologists together, the life coaches together. Ministry ole o thoka rona batho ba ba gang batho. Ya no ga re nna ke re ha re se re bidiwi re ntse re haela ga kwanta ra go no in this country yo sa itseng gore Agatha Atlholang we reign. Who is she and what does she do? Le ha o ka re o leka o re wa go kopa meeting ba go bolella ditori ya nna ibla rena se ba re tola re na le sembe leave them, let them do that. We'll call you back. I was just like, okay, let me just go on holiday. Let me go to Europe, okay? Or let me go to Brazil. Second half.
Yeah.
When they are ready.
Speaking of that,
She
like
goes to
speaking of that, let's talk about personal development as national development.
Yes.
You know, how personal healing, purpose, and accountability
Yes,
directly
yes.
reflect in national progress.
It you know, if I don't know, kind of everything, the country started from an individual. The country does not start from the collective. This is one thing that you need to understand as a people. Prosperity does not start from the collective or from government. It starts from an individual. When the individual is integrated and not fragmented, ha motho a se ditoki-toki, a se di-piece-piece, e le motho sente, o nunuhile mo maikutlo mo moweng le mo tlhaloganyong, motho o kgona go tsaya ditshwetso sente. Ha tsaya ditshwetso sente yana, imagine ha re tsaya ditshwetso sente re le 2 million. Imagine what we can accomplish, because everybody o kgona go tsena mo thomong ya gagwe. Mongwe le mongwe ga siriwa ga hathiwa o bone dilo jaaka dintsi. Ne re ka se ke ra nna re gotha-gothana ya ka re gotha-gothana yana. Ne ta re ha Joey a bua ke a itse re tshwantse re ke moretsi. E re ha boss lady a bua wa retsa. E be re ta re sa akanye gore no, I want to be right or you want to be right. Ne re tota re nna le bothale jwa go itse gore what is right is what is good for the people, not what you want or what I want. Because in what is good for the people, I will benefit, you will benefit.
100%.
Hey, so that way, what's going to happen? We then go into offices when we've got that mindset. We will build the offices. We go into government as employees. We build government. Then we go into all these other places. Ra godisa. Ha ke tlhaloganye gore why are you broke? There is a simple solution to this. It's not borrowing more money. It's not going to other countries. It is to fix the perception of yourselves and your self-concept as a people. It is for you to start looking at yourselves sente. Le berekisanye mmogo. Gompieno yana ke thola ke bua le wena Joey ke go ra ke re banna ba gompieno ga ke tlhaloganye re le ntse because you don't even have each other's backs. You've got each other's backs on things that are mattering. But things that matter, when God created this world for you as men. Joey, who built this world?
Amen.
Who built this cycad?
Indoda, madoda.
Who is out here building this swimming pool?
Madoda.
These malls that are here, who built them?
Amen.
So what is your problem? You are out here, women must lead you. Women must lead
Who
you.
says that?
Women are
No, like
leading
there's
you.
no man who says women
No,
must
but
lead
that's
you.
exactly what's happened. That's why men are out here. Baneta. To get out of it. And they're not even doing anything with that money. How we take sugars. At least and then after that was
Yeah. So like that's how our generation does things now.
I don't
So
know.
like
How
they
to
don't
do
even
things.
know how to utilize.
You don't even know how to utilize
Sugar mummies.
The sugar mummies.
Yeah. Sugar daddies.
Sugar daddy. Bana ba gela bo mma bo nkuku a bone le bo mma bone mantu a makima go gae kwa. Lona le renka madi a lona. You are just jumping from one sugar mommy to another. Jay-Z, dog. Jay-Z una pusha di drugs. There came a time when Jay-Z was established about to the next level. Why aren't you thinking like that? Jega. Jega is one of your best rappers. Are you imitating him in any way?
Dog, I was the first nigga to pull up with a podcast in this country. What are you saying? Overview is the biggest podcast yet. What are you saying?
You see? And this is what you should be pushing amongst your peers.
Yeah.
Hey guys, nobody's coming to save
but
us.
boss lady, like like you're saying, dog, men, like we cannot work together anymore.
I see that.
Because men are not in line, they're backstabbers and all that.
I see
that.
that.
Like we try to push other niggas what they do, like they backstabbers. And
I see that.
a lot of men, like they have that stories where I try to put this nigga on and then eventually I will this and that. You get it? So I agree with you, like we need to really reflect.
Yeah. Because
And yeah, also, I don't know, man. I've never seen anywhere like this thing of I always see people complaining or women don't work together, this and that. Dog, I've never seen anywhere where women must work together or anything. You get it? It's always men have to work together.
No, but
and with men working together, that's how women will get to work together.
But also, women are not created. That's why feminism. Women are not created to work together. Can I tell you why? So that people hanging. We are hypergamous in nature.
Yeah.
We are created to scramble for the guy with the most money so we get taken care of. So but we are not created
like that.
Hey, each one for themselves and God for us all. And I understand it. That's why I can backstabber. I don't have a problem with it. Because get taloganya gore ke bopilwe yang ke le mosadi. Monna ka gore ga go no le thusang, ga gona mosadi o totang a le thusa. That is why you are created to have this thing ya gore le berekisanye mmogo because le nosi.
Khomo ya mafisa.
Exactly. So ga ke taloganye gore wa bona tsone di etse ke gore ang ke re bajana ga ba conscious ka tsone ba ba le busy ba re women for women ha ba tsana go di officing kwa basadi ba bangwe ba sa ba support ba lela ke ba ra ke re kana me they are in character. You know what I mean?
Like they're in character. It's not like they're acting out of character.
It's not like that. Yes,
it
would
anything.
be nice for women to be nicer to each other.
Yeah.
But it takes work for you to look at another woman's something.
Yeah.
As a woman.
Psychologically,
you are just not wired to be a nice person to another woman. That's why le khona go ba khona go nthoga ke re ke ba bolella nnete.
Yeah.
Eh.
So could the rise of life coaches, therapists, and spiritual teachers in Botswana be a sign of national maturity?
Yes, it will show people that they understand and appreciate the importance of themselves being better people through these professionals. You understand? Kana life coaching, we it's serious ka gore wena o itsa serious. Ga o etse serious ka gore o tsa Agatha Atlholang serious.
Effect, yeah.
Wa bona kra o ne wa itemoga wena pele gore o bokoa ebile o batla more for your life.
Yeah.
O ya go counselor because you want more. So we cannot force you guys to come for therapy or to come for life coaching because if you don't see the importance of you becoming better and living a better life, I can't preach to you on and on ke go bolela gore o tlhoka a life coach.
There seems to be a rise of I don't know how to put this, but there's a rise of seeking self-awareness in the country right now. Quite like there seems to be a shift. More people are like they want to go inward, seeking purpose,
Yeah.
emotional health, and God.
Yeah.
Why now?
Well, I believe, honestly, in as much as I've said a lot in this interview, right? When all is said and done, Joey, we are spiritual creatures. We have divinity in us as human beings. You understand? Which means that so when it's your relationship with God. Because Mudimu obata go nna jalo. That is why a tsisa dilo gore di disrupte. Di re ntshe mo everyday unconsciousness ya rona e di re busetse go go ene. So ha go ta COVID yana ha o le motho o e leng gore motho a semoa o khona o lemoga dilo modimo a go netse bothale jo wa lemoga gore nya COVID ga ya ta go le destroyer itse le go le tsosa it's le go le busetsa to yourselves because ha go le monate teng motho ga retse ga ithuti ga ya modimo wa itebala. So in terms of Botswana le senama we are not on track. In terms of semoa le modimo we are on track. That's a bar.
Let's talk about generational. No more popopopona. Millennials and Gen Z Botswana stepping into a new kind of leadership. Like not just political, but in mindset and emotional intelligence.
I think young people, I don't think they're stepping into their power. I think they're chaotic, but that chaos is saying something. It's signaling something that children are not happy and they want better. You understand? It's just that ha gona guidance. I love to see young people stand up because I was like that at that age. But I had structure. You understand? I wasn't the person going out and things like that. You understand? What I see with young people, there's more of that. And I don't know, who am I to say that it's wrong or it's right? I don't know. But all I can say is, in as much as we might not like it as baholo gore bana ba arogana kana ba reng, it's signaling something. Le rona re tshwantse re itse stoko re le baholo. Gore re ska ra fila hela gore ke bana hela. Ke eng se se dirang gore bana ba arogane yana. Wa ibona rena ha gona ngwana o phadimo gang hela kana ngwana acts out because unale a threat. Everybody acts out because they feel threatened. Nobody just wakes up and decides they're going to be a maniac.
Yeah.
You understand? I didn't just put out that post ka 2021 I felt my femininity being threatened because women were moving around and that was giving me in my individual space because so I stood up for myself and I continue to stand up for myself. You understand? So I'm not just here because I want to be a nuisance. I'm here because I feel I'm being threatened as a female, as a Motswana, as a person, and I'm standing up for me. So banaba ga se gore ba dira hela le monna ha a ema a tsamaya kana a dira sengwe a nna go di bareng ke defense mechanism ya gagwe le mosadi ha a tsamaya a ya kontekwa a feel gore she's not heard ke defense mechanism ya no matata go gore ga le lebelle dilo boteng jwa tsone le bona hela gore motho ga a dire sente ga le ipotse gore why ga gona why mo Botswana
Well, like there's a rise of wellness spaces. I mean, yeah, like that we see every weekend there's a marathon, every weekend there's something. Like there's a rise of creatives as well. I mean, almost everyone is a vlogger now. Everyone is a TikToker. You know,
wellness there's a rise in wellness. There's a rise in fitness. Wellness and fitness are two different things.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I'm in fitness, and then yeah, there's a rise in
But
entrepreneur.
they're not fit. They're not well. There's a difference. Sorry to bust your bubble.
Yeah, entrepreneurs, digital warriors as well. Yeah, like there's a rise in digital warriors. Is this all those things that I mentioned? Is this Botswana's new culture now?
Yeah, it might be a new culture, but it's not going to take Botswana anywhere. Remember, Botswana, this is a third world country. Maloba, we just celebrated 249 years of the US. 60, where are we? How old are we?
I don't know, 1966.
Hey, so we are close. We are almost
59.
Yeah, we are
59.
almost 100 and something years behind. That's why we are called a third world country. So instead of focusing on we are out here going about the first world countries. You know, you need to address the issues that affect us on a daily basis first. Hey, that's what you need to look at. You can't be out here okay, wa go vlogger boira yang because YouTube ile yona ga e go duele.
No, but I get it, boss lady, like you cannot just sit or YouTube how you do it. Like, I get like you must do something. And also as you vlog, like you create some sort of purpose for yourself. But for
how long? There is no money. The fact of the matter is
the vlogger stuff like that. Like just to give an example.
It's a short-term thing.
Yeah, it's a gap end thing, I get it. So in the meantime, you cannot just sit and then
it's great that
yeah.
But you must also learn to think long term. That's where I'm at. Or we are here trying to do onyana. Like for example, let me give you an example, right? You know the Bible is very clear. Yeah, bua hela yare. It has been created. Whatever foundation is not sturdy and strong, whatever is built on long lasting,
Yeah.
so they have no choice, yes, and it's great what they're in the digital space, they're doing this, they're doing that, it's fine.
Yeah.
But it's not a long-term solution. Hand to mouth. But I'm happy that they're doing that and they're getting something. At least take easy. It's great. But you see, this is the other problem. Future. Let's build things that are going to last forever. Look at America. Look at Singapore, let me say. Okay, look at Malaysia. These guys, they are flourishing. COVID tu kare gaya ba wela. Rona ga re diri long term. Motswana kana koro o tshamekela ha. Ha tshamekele ha lekwa. Wela ha. Wa bona kana tshwantse ro tshameke ha, o tshamekela ha le, o mo tshamekela lekwa Joey. How can so if you are going to focus on digitalize what, when you can't even do a basic thing like wellness, wellness how can digital whatever? Ase wele mo tlhaloganyong wa go thola mo phoning. Do you get what I'm saying? Are you getting my logic?
I get
that
you.
If you are going to want to bring these huge things to Botswana, when you haven't prepared them psychologically, those things are not going to be of benefit to them. As we see maranyani kia, bona ya ka Batswana ba dirisitse maranyani, kana ba dirisa maranyani go rogana. Ga ba dirisi maranyani to do anything. But maranyani a Botswana a dirisetswa dipolotiki gore batho ba nne against each other. A dirisetswa gore batho ba pushe dio tse di sa nnang sente in terms of behavior. Gore bo gore batho ba nne ba sa tswala batho ba nne ba nwa majalwa ba supa majalwa ba re bolela ka mogwe eneng gore di relationship tsa bone ga di bereke nna kana I'm so tired of that. That's such a third world mindset. You know what I'm saying? We're not using maranyane to elevate ourselves. So you want to bring more things, more digitalization to already psyche ya ko gae.
As the as the new Botswana.
Chief Ghost.
Let's move on. Our time is limited now. As the new Botswana boss lady, how do we confront truth without getting offended or losing hope?
You can't confront truth without first confronting your demons. But when I've got too many demons, dog. You lena le kuto bothoko entsi tota ko le tswang teng ko maganyena. You know how you were raised as children, a lack of fatherhood. You know, your inner child is struggling. You know, your self-esteem ya reketa. You know, I mean, it's so bad that Agatha Atlholang can put out a post, not mention any names, and then people come for you as if honorable. Mo go supentsha ya la gore batho ba reketa on the inside. Ha se batho ba not bubbling, but ga ba itshetela. Yeah, motho o sa itshetelang ke motho e leng gore ga na objectivity, and to do life you have to be objective. So and I come to my people with compassion, honestly. Not that I feel sorry for Botswana, because they're failing, you know, these people are failing, dog. They're very angry people. They are very when you are smiling and you are looking good. And when it's like we just are very good in our individual spaces. Like now, for example, I'm a typical example. I don't over-identify with my problems. I know that problems are coming. I know more problems are coming. So that does not mean I must go off and commit suicide. It just means I need to go through my issues. And where I need counseling, where I need help, I myself have my own life coach who coaches me. I was coached by men. This is why because men are not emotional. Well, the modern day man is, obviously, because I'm a single parent. This is a truth. Because let's just start there. So how are you going to help people like this who can't even accept a basic truth? It's been scientifically proven, psychologically proven. Because you know, so how are you going to help people who are like that? You can't help these guys. You can't help Botswana, dog. Now I'm here to help those who are ready. The rest I'm numb to.
The new Botswana was lady. Is it doable? Is it tough? Is it?
You've got tough times ahead.
Okay,
You've got very tough times ahead because you don't have the emotional capacity to go through it.
The emotional capacity.
You don't have the emotional capacity. You don't have the spirituality or the enlightenment to go through it, and you are not seeking to find it. Because it is there. One thing you must know about spirituality and enlightenment, it is sacred and it shall not show itself to any Tom, Dick and Harry. You have to be consciously seeking it. You see how much you've changed?
Yeah.
But you couldn't change if you weren't going through the most. You know that?
Yeah.
So you need this period so that you can rediscover, not even rediscover yourself, because yourself is there. Just that there are layers and layers that are hiding you as the person, the self, the true self. And this is why Botswana need to individuate. To individuate is to find your true self and your true authenticity, the authentic you, so that you can become everything that God created you to be. Now, if we could all figure out mongwe le mongwe would be in their lane, flourishing. Ghana is not like there should not be any poverty in the world. But there is poverty because batho ga ba mo dithomong tsa bone.
Do we have a spiritual Botswana? Like is Botswana a spiritual nation?
No, it's not a spiritual. It's not a spiritual nation. Which batho ba rata boloinyana ba it's ba rate kore ga ba they are interesting to watch actually.
Yeah.
Wait.
Ah.
Ba Africans are interesting people. They like to ba rata go tshela mo boloing mo netu wa bona gore ga ba tsisi dilo gore di ba berekele dio tsa bo di ancestral le ko ba tswang teng badimo ba bone ba dirisa gore ba ise to a better place ba togela hela mo marapong hela wa bona ke ra gore ba rata it's like ba rata this witchcraft and they're just not using things to help them move forward. You understand? Look what dikerekeng, it's the same. They don't use their knowledge of the word to push good these They're always trying to manipulate, to be bossy, to be bosses. Hey, these people are interesting, you know?
What kind of a Botswana are we birthing if this current awakening continues?
Very inept in all ways, you know.
Yeah.
You know, we're creating this vegetable, right? We're creating this monster. This African country, the first one, in a white Indian or Chinese president, right?
President,
yeah. Because at some point somebody's going to why a different color and we are going to give it to him or her because of her choice but you destroy yourselves as a people which is what you're doing right now.
Lastly, let's talk about the role of wellness coaches in nation building. How do life coaches help align citizens with their purpose and vision?
Well, there's a lot that goes into it. I'm not going to give out a lot because that's content that we are selling.
Yeah.
You know, but the bottom line is life coaching is there to help you to become the best version of yourself. Ya go kalolla. Gore ya go idira gore thanye. Idira gore o itebelle sente, o lebelle batho ba bangwe sente, iblo lebelle tikologo sente. Idira gore o itsele boikarabelo, o itemoge, o bone gore you matter. You matter in this ecosystem. Gore you have a role to play. Gore ga wa tahela. Wa bona gore ga o boloko ga wa kakiwa hela wa bona Joey khomuita kana khomuikaka hela ikaka ga wa kakiwa. You come from somewhere. You know, you mean something. You matter. Your contribution matters. Wa bona, and as a result you should deal with yourself gently sente kana batho itsore Batswana ke batho ba eleng gore they don't deal with them sente and as a result they allow other people gore ba ska ba batsa sente o bana nna gompieno I don't have third world problems. I would be lying because I take care of myself. I put myself first. Putting yourself first doesn't mean you being selfish. Kana o baya wena pele ga batho ba bangwe o dira bohata. No, it's that I know my worth and I know why I'm here. And as a result, I don't find myself like I'm jolo. I don't find myself like a baby mama drama. I don't find myself mana le batho. So life coaching idira yalo. Idira gore o le se go ibetreya. Batswana betray themselves. O ta bona motho at a relationship, this thing is not working and they won't get out of it. But here's the thing, how come you didn't notice this in the beginning? That means your perception on life and how you see life is warped.
Should life coaches, as you mentioned earlier on, like meeting, like should life coaches be part of?
I actually thought, I'm going to be honest with you, Honorable I'll be very honest with you. Before she became a minister, I met her at Jack's gym. I didn't even know who she was. She came up to me and she said to me, "Boss lady, I love you." I follow you. I love your content.
Yeah.
But then again, people change when they are sent to high positions. Maybe she's changed her stance. And I was looking at it from that perspective. I've tried to get a meeting. I can't, but it's fine. It's okay. Because I know that if it's not the right time, sometimes it's not the right time.
Yeah.
And I also know that what is mine will come at my time. And where I'm needed, those people will find me.
Yeah.
You get it? So ha ke
100%.
push dilo le nna ha ke motho a go pusha dilo because ha ke dumele yalo.
Yeah.
Where I am right now, I've signed up for a course. I'm doing great things in my space, I want to become a Jungian life coach under the whole establishment, Carl Jung. Carl Jung was a protege of Freud. Freud was the father of psychology. So I'm very interested in that. And maybe someday I'll probably move to Germany and maybe that's where my calling is.
Or like you are sick and tired of.
Not that I'm sick and it's not. I don't even think that's the way to put it because a prophet is never recognized in their own place.
Facts. Facts.
Nabo Agatha re baba blow anko Europe. More we are wasting our time.
What I wanted to ask was, should life coaches be part of public policy?
Absolutely.
Like, especially in education, rehabilitation,
Absolutely.
prison systems,
Absolutely.
unemployment programs, gender, what this and what not.
Le hela ha o se molla o ro batla go rana for office hela. You need a life coach. Kana life coach e go tsenya mo semoeng gore o kgone go bona. Even your enemies wa kgona o lemoga gore hey, gongwe ibile ile one o ke mo tsenyang gone mo stilong se o to nthakathakanyetsa as a president. E dira gore gate ke your level of consciousness ye go godimo le awareness. Wa bona dio tseno ntse o sa di bone hela sharp o se molla o di bona. Wa bona re lwena hela the way you I liked your interview le ragwe le Sedi. Get your question. Yes, you are growing up. You are seeing gore ha kwa phadimo ga ela o bo botsa di utse di. Wa bona re kra iblela ha o di botsa there's a way tshwantse re o di botse ka teng. Wa tlhaloganya. Gore la gore your level of consciousness has gone up. And Joey, life is a process. O tshwantse re wa gola. So we cannot expect Joey gore ha o ta o bo ta o le this Joey o go godimo. Podcast ya gago ye ke thomo ya gago. Thomo ya gago ya go aga.
Yeah.
You understand? So I don't feel guilty ha batho ba gore le clueless. O ska retsa batho ba bua dilo. Bana ba le ba santse ba go gola.
Yeah, batho ba sentse ba gola.
Ba santse ba
honoring the season.
They are honoring the season ya go bua rubbish ba siane.
Thank you for that, boss lady. The Minister of Finance, who's also the Vice President,
yes,
speaks almost all the times gore ha gona madi, the economy is bad, and the president lane, it's like by I don't know. The president lane speaks almost all the times gore the diamonds are not selling. Even like the last time on Abu Agur, like the whole stock at 2024, it's there. So the economy is bad, like that's what they always say all the times. With this new Botswana, as a Botswana, how do I navigate through these tough times? I know that we must buy or
just a quick advice
to
I love my president. I have no problem with my president, but to him and the vice president, they must be very careful how they communicate certain things. Because the more you keep saying is the more we as the people, no, not myself, but that's what's going on. People are going to attack you because they're going to ask you no solution. So they must refrain from that whole victim mindset because that's what I'm picking up. They should just try and solve the problems or communicate in a more effective way. That's why PR they need to up their game because they're making the president look bad. So Arbe aside there. How are you supposed to navigate? I can't come here and give you solutions and say this, that. In my individual space as a life coach, life coaching. There's enough for everybody, guys. But if you are not going to give yourself time to engage people, as individuals, chief goes to start Joey. Because botshelo ga se group event. wata to rise up gore o kgone go bona gore go iragala eng e re di opportunity di tabo di bona. You remember how you told me gore your transformation has allowed you to recognize opportunities where you never used to recognize them?
Yeah.
Have I not answered you yaanong ha ke rialo? It's because you've changed. How's that all Cyrilo? You're no longer that stupid boy. You are awake now. You are enlightened. Wa kgona go bona ha no sa bone teng because you are too busy being a victim. Kona go diela go nako le go akanya. Wa tlhaloganya re ke raya? So I can't tell you what happens. I can tell you that you transform, you change. Your view of reality and your view of the world changes. And therefore, you are able to recognize hamudimo bela dilo gore these are the opportunities tsa botshelo. When God puts things in front of you, o kgona go di lemoga kana botshelo ga se group event. Ha o ka thola o sala sanle mo le batho mo maranyane mo o sa nne ha tse wa ipela madi wa engage di coach da go tsa gore o ipatisise, you are going to drown like everybody else.
Is that what you're saying to Botswana right now?
That's exactly what I'm saying. Right now, because a lot of people don't have money, I've decided for my followers gore ke a go ba direla di session tse pedi every month because they can't afford the package. Only a few, because not everybody who can afford the services are boss lead. So ke dirile gore di package tsa teng every month re dire di session tse pedi. We kickstart in September. Those of you who are interested, go to our page. It's 1,200 pula for the session. It's a page. Early bed special, like 100 pula. So it's $500 a session or 600 pula a session. Hello, how I duela ya early bed. Where we are starting you on the journey, ya we patisisa.
Yeah.
So grab a hold of those opportunities. Nobody's coming to save you. Nobody's coming to save you, and the government can't save you. It's never been the government's responsibility to save you, because at the end of the day, mudimu ene o bata o nna le relationship le ene gore a kgone go guide. That's it.
Any last messages to the people? Chief Ghost, anything like? Don't you wanna reveal yourself to the people? Now, what is it? Oh, all right. Episode 200, eh? Yeah, like episode 200 is coming on.
Now,
any? Can you kindly, like we're asking, okay, as a life coach, any messages to like the people more grounding, Botswana ko hae, the taxpayer and leaders, both Batho and the leaders.
Now all I can say, guys, ke gore thanyang. Stop pretending that things are okay when they're not okay. Things haven't been okay for a very long time. Stop pretending that you are living these lives that don't exist. It's time to be adults. Because children are the ones who like to play pretense. We are not Barbie and Ken, you know. We are adults, we are men and
Leave
women.
That to clueless.
Leave that to clueless. We are men and women raising children. And bana ba re nang le bone gompieno yana ga re to ba togella boswa. These gender wars nyana tsa lona tshwanetse bo indoda must he bo basadi ba rile grow up. We are in a season if you are not going to become the best version of yourselves, liberekisanya mmogo, picking each other's brains, respecting each other's professions, and se modimo as the gift tsa batho ba bangwe. I ke itse gore la go di solve yang because ga lena bothale jwa teng. The fact of the matter is that motho ga go nna le bothale jwa sengwe le sengwe. You need a team. You need to work with each other. Do tsa bo di podcast tse but what ba se molla di podcast la ile go heta ka Joey yona le podcast e ga isanya mongwe le mongwe, all of us combined. And then le mothaetsa matho ha le company le re le batla o semolla podcast e leng gore ga e to go hella gope. Wa bona re kraya Agatha o teng ke wellness coach le tabele mothaetsa matho because la re wa peka a le bolella nnete reality e le itseng. Tsa modio ntseo, you know, you are educated, guys. Don't act as if you don't fail the system. A system ene le tsametse. That's all I can say. Just grow up, guys.
There's this scripture that I like. It's Proverbs. What? Is it Proverbs? Somewhere in Proverbs, like where there is no counsel, people fall.
Where there's good, there is wisdom in good counsel.
Yeah, like
And in a multitude of counselors.
exactly.
Yeah.
Quite like where there is no counsel, people fall, but in a multitude of counselors,
There's safety.
Safety,
Yeah.
exactly.
So now, ya ko mpolelle gore ha ile gore Bible ya go bolella yalo. Ha Auntie Agatha go rara ga o ire sente, a o loka go supentsha. Who are you?
Yeah, that's Proverbs 11:40.
Yeah. Motho wa kgalemelwa because motho o na le go tswa mo tseleng re ntse a lo rothe le nna go na le batho ba ba nkgalemelang. Hey,
Ke mo go kgalemelang boss
my
lady.
life coach.
Oh yeah, your life coach. Uh-huh.
Ebile ga nka tota ene o mpolella gore o bona nna I say I don't regret anything that I've ever said. The funny thing nna ka nna ke gore ke bolella Batswana dilo gompieno a ke re ba slow batho ba teng ba bonya Batswana ba bonya kana.
You have this thing ya go kgalemela Batswana. Sorry to cut you in. Like ya go kgalemela Batswana with passion. Where do you get that and what drives you to do that?
What drives me is because I get concerned about them. I know they don't have the fortitude and I know what they don't have the resilience to go through tough times. So ke tenwa ke gore ba tshameka ka the bonyenyane jo ba nang le jone because ko pele kwa ke a itse gore ga ba tshwane le maZimbabwe ba ba kgonang go itsamela. That's why gompieno le ga go itse go phothame ba setse ba ithekisa mo go supang gore motho a teng ga itse gore a bereke wa tlhaloganya. So gana resilience, so ito nna morwalo gape wa bona re ke ra yang. I think that's where the passion comes from. But like I was saying, I never regret anything that I say because funny enough, people only get it 4 years later. Like gompieno yana ke re tso tetse ne ke di bua kwa ke gone ba bonang gore di a diragala.
Yeah.
Ba boele video yele ya o mang la e gopola ke re ye le boele o tota o e utwa sente second half.
Do that.
I'm actually going to post it. Ke batla go e posta gape and all the things that are happening now.
Yeah.
Everything that I was saying there, it's all there.
Yeah. Thank you so much, boss lady.
Thank you, Papa.
Yeah. Yo, guys, remember that this episode is proudly brought to you by Kanako, the best and most reliable commercial and industrial equipment supplier or store. Kanako Equipment is the full name. Check them out on the socials, or like whatever equipment that you're looking for, man. Maybe bakery, agri equipment, catering, butchery. What are you into? Like, I want coaching equipment.
It's all here. It's all here. It's all here.
Oh, so
like, check ko ikare Motswana.
Yeah, guys. We're shooting this episode from Sakat Palm Hospitality, the most beautiful hotel in town, man. You can, guys, listen, you are free to go anywhere and all that, but you will never ever find a place as beautiful as this one and a place as comfortable as this one. Come lodge here whenever you are in town and everything. We have Sakat Palm Hospitality ko Palapi. We have Sakat Palm Hospitality ko Japi as well. Joburg is coming soon. Cape Town is coming soon as well. So like I'm just let travel la die and all that. Who else?
Ke batla go rapella my country Joey before re tswala.
Okay, yeah. Let me finish with the sponsors. Goms the barber is the nigga like who does my hair and all that. Shout out to Goms the barber. Check him out, man. He's Goms the barber. Check him out, man. As we on this episode, guys, trying times are here, tough times are here. So invest in his skill, guys. Fintech is one of the skills that you should invest on. So remember, Lifetime Traders Academy, like they offer forex courses, forex education, like that an academy, the only registered academy by both BQA and HRDC, check them out and then we'll to the forex in a safe way. Don't blow it like other niggas who do it and all that. Yeah. Boss lady, take it away with a prayer.
Yes, Father, in the mighty name of Jesus, we come before you. Na kopo ya me hela morena. Re bule matho, re bule ditsebe. Re bule ditlhaloganyo tse di metsitse. Kwena o itseng sengwe le sengwe. Kwena o itseng gore o re isa kae ka mathata ona ra lebileng. You know where you're taking us. Open our hearts, open our minds. Give us wisdom. In all his glory, the only thing that Solomon asked for was wisdom. Wisdom to be able to govern, wisdom in order to be able to take care of those who are under him, wisdom to be able to choose that which is of benefit. Open our hearts, Lord, to the teachings that you put before us through whoever yo e leng morongwa wa gago o batlang gore a re rute. Re dire bana. Give us a teachable spirit. Re dire bana gape. We are prodigal children. We are prodigal children in need of our Father. Today we come before you and we just say, we know that trying times are here, tough times are ahead, more is coming, but just give us the strength and the ability and the knowledge and the wisdom to navigate sengwe le sengwe ebile re tswe ha re ithutile sengwe, because ke itse gore sengwe le sengwe se o se letellang, it's to bring us to a higher level of consciousness and awareness as individuals and as a collective. Bless our country, Father. In the mighty name of Jesus we pray. Amen.
From the capital, this station is now the ultimate power in the universe.